tell you, Norm, I'm not gonna sit in the truck and you got no air working, it's blowing hot air. So we're on our way back to the junkyard where the GTO is. We struck a deal with the guy, we're gonna get the car. And we decided to take Norm's truck again. And as you can see, wind is blowing in the windows because his air conditioning doesn't work. And if I would have known that, we would have took my truck, Norm.
It was working when you got in the truck.
No, it wasn't working.
Yeah, it was.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Because it ain't working now. And Norm thinks by tapping on the controls and pushing buttons that it's going to come back on. And it's not. Because it's going to be a lousy hot day going to the junkyard. And you know it's really going to suck. After we load that car, it's going to be sweaty hot. F***ing hot, dude. I can't believe this, Norm.
I don't know.
So, like I said, we're on our way all the way back out to the other side of Fort Worth, on the other side of Weatherford, to get that GTO parts car that we need. And that's basically the situation when you want to restore these cars right. If you can't, you know, find the parts car that you need, I'd rather use a parts car because we got to basically change the whole body out. That's what we're getting it for, the whole body. And we got somebody, the car's actually restoring an old car. Let's see how he's restoring his car. So what kind of car you got?
I got a 70 Roadrunner.
Yeah?
Yep.
Is it a convertible?
Yes, it is.
And what did you do to that car?
What haven't I done to it? All new metal.
Wow. Your dad doesn't have the air conditioner on. We can't hear you.
All right. It's got all new metal on it.
Now, when you say new, did you go buy a parts car?
No, AMD.
Okay. So you got the AMD, brand new metal, and you replaced what?
From the front, back, floor pan extensions, floor under the back seat.
Basically the whole car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
We'll get a good look at that later. Right now, it's windy and we can't talk.
Yep.
Because Norm didn't want to fix the air conditioning. Norm.
I like it like this, man.
Yeah. It's great.
People pay good money for this. They go to the sauna.
I don't know how much longer we can stay on camera with this type of action. So I'm going to go ahead and hang it up here. And when we get out to the junkyard, when it's about 197 degrees out, do you got some bug spray?
Yes.
Okay. We need this. Something we really need. Anybody that's ever been in the Texas country land, there's a thing called jiggers. You don't want to get jiggers. Jiggers suck. This is what you need right here to protect yourself against that. But what we really need right now to protect ourselves is some good air conditioning, and that ain't gonna happen because Norm doesn't want to fix his air conditioner in his truck. So we're gonna cut it short here, and we'll see you out at the junkyard as we get ready to load up the parts car that we need so desperately to finish this job. Stay on 121. Norm, am I right or wrong?
121 or 114?
121, Norm.
Well, that's where I was going, but you know.
Stay on 121, Norm.
I gotta have my backseat driver.
Finally made it with no air conditioning, and looks like Eddie's already got the car out of the hole that it was in, and all we got to do now is back up to it and basically drag it up onto the frame of the trailer with no suspension. Basically what we're looking at. So this is the car we're going to use to actually restore. This body will be converted into a 1967 GTO, and then once that's converted, down the road it'll go. But this is a situation right here. Search and seizure is what you might call this. Search and seizure. Does it look like the car we need? Huh?
Probably.
Help your dad back it up there, bud. Get them lined up so we can drag it up on there. All right. All right.
Hold on.
He's all right.
I don't know what that is.
All right, come on. Come on. Watch your legs. Watch your legs. Keep going. Where are you going?
Over here, look at his GTX.
All right, go check him out. Check out his hood ornaments for me, bro.
All right.
Ask him how much for one.
All right.
We need one of those, Garrett.
All right.
We need one, buddy. Okay, there you go. 67 Pontiac Lamans loaded and ready to rock and roll over at SWRNC Ranch. We're going to be really doing a major restoration job on this car for our buddy Moreland out in Houston, Texas. And hopefully it's going to turn out to be an awesome restoration. Now, I know it needs floors. Okay, I know it needs a floor down here. So that's a definite for sure. I see Eddie took the gauges out. That's okay. He went ahead and gutted out the gauges. But what we need is this body. We need the body. I'm really curious what that trunk's going to look like when we get it open. Right now it's just a black spot poking us in the face. Hopefully it's going to be a good situation. I'm already seeing holes back in there. I don't even want to zoom in, but if it needs a trunk floor, that's okay. What we're concerned about is this nice solid body that we got with minor surface rust only. We're back over here at SWRNC with the fuck is Norm doing? I didn't tell him to move that. I didn't say to move that. Now he's actually doing something. Okay, so Norm decided he's going to go ahead and move the Vega over because this right here is going in that hole for right now. So there's our red GTO behind this Lamans, and Norm and his Bobcat. What are we gonna do? Norm and his Bobcat.
So you just gotta put the chains around the shackles. Let me just pick
I'm gonna do that, Norm.
Alright. So what do you want now?
I want you to get over here on the side of it or something.
On the side or dead center?
I need to put the chain on that first, Norm. Then you're gonna lift it up. On the back or something. Lift it up, Norm. Tilt it. Tilt it. Other way. Alright, now bring it in. Hey, let me explain something, Norm. Do not mess up the trunk lid on that car.
Don't do it that way. Put the chain on there and let me get down below here and I'll pick it up from back.
All I know is you better not fuck up the...
Just let's do it the way I think.
Fine, dude, fine. Well, you just lift the motherfucker up. Now drag it off. Keep going. I think actually Norm's doing something right this time. Keep going. I'll tell you when. Keep going, Norm. You got it. Go. Keep going. Go on. Let it down a little bit, Norm.
This one
because you're fucking it up now. Just lift it up. Just get in there and lift it up like it's, look, you gotta go about 5 inches. Yeah, well, it'll hold it. There's no weight. Just do it, please, Norm. Go. So lift it up, Norm. Keep going. Lift it up. Keep going. Keep going. Hold it. Now let it down. Let it down. Hey, go, look. You guys look. Motherfucker, that ain't gonna work. Hold it right there. Shit. Real good, Norm. All right, look, you got them. Okay, they're gone.
They ain't gone. They're coming back.
I'd like to get this thing unloaded, Norm. It's like 900 fucking degrees out, please. Please, bud. Let's just get the motherfucker down on the ground. Okay? Please, Norm. Now, look. How are we gonna get that down? There you go. Keep tilting. Now lift it up by the bumper and I'll get them tires out. Lift it up. Go. Watch it, chain. All right, so there it is. We got it unloaded. Norm got rid of the bees, thank you very much. And we're ready to take the body on this car and convert it to a GTO to get rid of this body right here. Bondo buggy heaven. Why is it always a nightmare with you, Norm?
Because you.
I gotta go.
You didn't hook the chain up.
All right, I'm gonna pull the truck around and unload the trailer.
All right.
Thank you. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. Always.
All your fault, Pete.
Yeah.